Hello everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. You are watching our Python 1000 Python project marathon for GenAI MLDL and data science projects playlist. In today's video, we are building a complete school management desktop application that is software using Python. This project is perfect for beginners and aspiring developers who want to learn how to build real world softwares, how they got designed and built, coded, and optimized. So stay tuned with me and watch this video till end. I promise you will learn something powerful today. So let's jump into and build. So I have uploaded the source code on my GitHub repository, and the link is provided in the description box of this video. This is a little bit lengthy video. The project is much bigger, much complicated. While building this project, I got a lot of errors, a lot of bugs. I try to fix it out, but maybe you will also face some difficulties. But just copy the entire error and paste it on Google. You will get different solutions. To avoid getting that errors, from my own experience, I will tell you, you should have Python 3.9 version. I will just go to this VS Code. You can see here and try to run it in command prompt. CLS Python 3 point sorry Python hyphen version 3.9.13. Only this version is applicable if you want to build this application, if you want to build this software. Latest versions are not allowed. Previous versions are not allowed. Only 3.9.13 is allowed. After that, I have created this cool env as a virtual environment. You can name different names of virtual environment you want. Many times, developer use the same name venv, but it creates conflicts. Like when we select our virtual environment, it tracks another virtual environment, and when we run the code, it gives module not found error. So to avoid this kind of error, try to give different names to your virtual environment. Now we are working for school management software. So I give school environment, school env as name of this virtual environment. Another thing, you have to download XAMPP, ZAMPP. We will post our code to Apache server. We will run on Apache server, and we will use MySQL database. You just start it. You just start this also, Apache and MySQL. It will start. If it is not starting, then there might be possibility that you already have MySQL installed and you are working on it, and your 3306 port has been used previously already. So remove it first, and then again start this. It will start again. I'm getting this error many times, but I Google it and find out solution, and now the error is not coming now. Okay, this is perfectly working now. How to solve the errors? See, you can see the log files, MySQL error log file. Just copy these log files and paste it on Google. You will get solution. Okay. Okay. So this is about Jam. It is running now. Now, what we have to do, this is my GitHub repository, and this is here you have to write down localhost slash php admin slash and hit enter. This window will open. This tab will open. This is the MySQL database. Also, in the just one second. Here, this is a school management software, and here I have downloaded. I have made some images on Paint's software. So this is a school image. I downloaded it from internet. This is I downloaded from internet. Like that thing, you can download images or from internet. This is login button. We will see. In this school virtual environment, go to library site packages, PyQt5. After that, just one, not PyQt5, PyQt5 applications. Here, PyQt5 applications. And this is my virtual environment, right? School ENV virtual environment. I'm creating this virtual environment, so I have to go through this virtual environment. If you are not creating virtual environment, directly installing all the applications, then you will get in your C drive. So PyQt5 applications and Qt. After that, this bin, and here you will see designer application. Okay, 550 KB. This is application designer only. This is .exe file. Okay, right click here. Don't copy paste it. This is very important. Don't copy paste. Right click and show more properties. Send to and create shortcut. You have to create the shortcut. You don't have to copy paste it. I copy paste it. It was not running. It was giving me error. But if you create the shortcut on desktop, you will see here the desktop shortcut designer shortcut is created. You double click here and you will see this window. Okay, so where we are. Okay, so here we are. And before this, you will not get all this Qt5 and Qt school and everything. First of all, you have to see this is my requirement.txt, and all these are my Python libraries. You have to install it. First of all, Python version, Python hyphen version. You will get this Python version. After that, please update the pip version. Python -m pip install upgrade pip. Hit enter. Your pip will get upgraded. I already updated. I have done a lot of trial and error before recording this video because I don't want any kind of error. That's why. And now also install pip install UV. Okay. What is the importance of this UV? UV is the replacement of pip. Uh, why we use pip? Why we use UV instead of pip? UV is very much powerful and very much faster than pip. It is, you can say, 100 times faster than pip. And by means when you get more advantage of you using UV, because whenever you see any kind of Git repository, for example, you like my code and you don't want to write down all the code, you just want to copy my code and run it and just make the software. Then what will you do? You go to this GitHub repository, my GitHub repository. You will copy this GitHub repository and you will clone the GitHub repository in your uh, working directory, right? So after cloning it, you will get spool.py and so on these files. But when you write down uh, pip install -r requirement.txt, you will install all the libraries. So it will take a lot of time. Maybe it will take 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If your project is uh, very big, like so it will take maybe 20, 30, 40 minutes, I don't know, a lot of time it will take if you use pip install -r requirement.txt. But if you use UV, then it will be 100 times faster. Within 1 minute or within 10 seconds, all the libraries will get installed. That's why we have to use UV. Now what to do? UV pip install -r requirement.txt, hit enter. Now you will see the speed. Actually, it is already installed, but you can see the speed 166 microseconds, and everything is installed now. You can try it also. Uh, UV gives some errors for some modules. Some libraries are not installed by using UV. Then you have to have use pip. But after some modification within 6 months or 1 year, you will see that UV is working fine, and everyone will start using UV. We will replace PIP. Okay. So this is how you install the requirement, all the libraries from requirement.txt. After that, in PyQt5 library, you will see this designer application. Follow this path. This is our project. Then school env is a virtual environment. Then go to library. Then go to site packages, qt applications, qt bin, and after that you will see designer. Don't copy paste it. Uh, Send it to desktop. Create a desktop shortcut. Okay. Create a shortcut and open that shortcut. Okay. One more important thing I want to tell you that to build this kind of softwares, if you are cloning my GitHub repository, then within a day you will get your software ready software. But if you are designing, if you are upgrading the software, if you are integrating some security features, some additional features, 10, 20 features, whatever in your creative mind it is, if you are putting it, it may take 1 week. Okay, that's fine. But after that, after this 1 week, your product is ready, right? You just have to sell it. Making the product, it will take only 1 week. After that, you have to sell it. Current market price of these softwares are normally in the market. People, developers, freelancers sell this application for 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, depending on their selling skills. You can sell this application, of course, to the schools, to the nurseries. In many areas, like you can see in Mumbai, thousands of schools are there, thousands of colleges are there, thousands of lakhs of nurseries are there. Likewise, we can consider whole Maharashtra, whole India. A lot of schools are there, and this is a database application, right? Database software. So it is not limited to only school. It is you can extend his functionality to hospital database management application. You can create a same database application for hospital, for school, for any kind of businesses. You when you walk on the road, you see a lot of businesses, DMart, any kind of inventory management system. You can build any kind of desktop applications by using uh, this by using this source code. You just have to modify it and build this software. So you can start earning by making this software. You will feel how developers are earning money, why developer salary is quite large as compared to other job roles, why their job is difficult. Everything. This video is going to be very, very interesting. So stay tuned with me, and I will just give you one example. What is the difference between web applications and desktop applications? Web applications and softwares. So those applications who have this crossbar, we can close, we can maximize, minimize. Here we can minimize, here we can maximize, here we can close the application. These three buttons are present, then that is a software, then that is a desktop application. And those who don't have this kind of functionality, they are hosted on the cloud. Uh, it is like a 11 the websites, then they are web applications. These are desktop applications who have these three buttons. Okay, so I am into this folder. Hmm. Yes, I am into this folder. I just right click and I just show more properties. I just open with VS Code. Then this window opens. I will just create school.py file here. Nothing is present. I have closed the requirement.txt. Now, what I will do, I will go to that designer application, which is present in our desktop. The shortcut, not copy pasting, the shortcut file only. I will double click it here, and here this window opens. I will just close it. I will again open it. Yes. So I will create a window. See, this is a desktop application. We are building a desktop software which having crossbars, minimize, maximize. Okay, this kind of functionalities. Okay, okay. Just I will close it. I will open it again. You have to select the main window and uh, just type here. Here we will create menu and submenus. Okay, by double clicking it here, write down students. Here we will create submenu, add new student, edit or delete student. After that, create new menu, marks, add, edit, or delete marks. Third menu is attendance. Submenu is add, edit, delete, attendance, details. Third menu is fees menu. Submenu is add, edit, delete, fees, details. Okay. Here we can do one thing. Okay. Add, delete, add, edit, delete, mark, mark, fields. Okay. Now we will have reports menu. Inside that reports menu, we will have student, marks, attendance, fees, reports. Okay. Now last menu is exit, logout. Yes. Now here we will give color to our menu bar. So here is our menu bar, new menu bar. Go to style sheet. Yes, here. Go click here. Here you will see two colors. One is color, one is background color. Background color means the entire menu bar color, and color means the color of the text. Okay. First of all, I will give background color and this. After that, I will give color to the text as white. I will add a font size as 12. Click OK. You will see the change. Background color is blue, text color is white, and text font is 12. Okay. So this is how we have given the background color, text color, font color. Okay. Here for each menu, I will give the object name. Here is the object name. Here menu number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and inside 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1. This will be our object names. So here menu 1, 1, 1 second. For this first menu 1, 1, hit enter. For the second menu 1, 2, hit enter. 1, 1, 1, 2. For the second menu, select this menu 2, 1, only one submenu. So now for the third one, menu 3, 1. Okay, it has only one. For the fees, select here menu 4, 1. These are the object names. Only one. Okay, for fees 5, 1. Menu 5, 1. For reports 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be menu 6, 1. Menu 6, 2. Menu 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Menu 6, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all are completed. 3, 4. Okay, yes. And this is menu 7, 1. Click here. Menu 7, 1. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I have made some mistake. Here 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. Here it should be 4, 1. 4, 1. Okay. Now this should be 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, and here it is 6, 1, 6, 1. We will check object name 1, 1, 1, 2, okay, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1. Okay, this is very important. Now we will save this file. Here, this is our school management software folder. I will give name school. Okay, and I will save it. I have uploaded this school.ui file. This is a .ui file onto my GitHub repository. If you are getting any kind of difficulties in creating this file, then you can directly download it from my GitHub repository and run it because it is running very well. Small mistakes are there. This application will not support. So if you are getting any kind of error, then you can use my ready-made source code with this .ui file, school.ui file. Okay. Now I will just drop it down. This will be our application, entire application. Now here will be images, some images. I have installed some images. You can see login image, this school image. Okay. We will put these images into this interface. So where is the label box? Oh, yes. Just drag this label box here from this point to this point. Okay. Okay. From here. After that, go to this pix map. Click here on three dots. Choose file. Now select this school management system. Drag here. Okay. Just click on this scaled content. So you will compress it also. Yes. You can compress it by using scaled contents here. Okay. Now this is our school management. See, we have select on this pix map. You can see below Q level there is pix map. Just go here, choose file, and then select this checkbox, scaled content. Then you can do this thing. You can insert images into this window. Okay, this is our menu bar, and this is our front page. Okay, here you can select drag this tab widget. We are creating a menu bar. We are creating a form, login form. So we select this tab widget under where is the tab widget? Yes, here it is a tab widget actually. It is present under containers. Okay, containers. So I will just drag it and drop it over here. Okay, I will save this file. Now set the background color for this login form. Go to style sheet. Here is a style sheet. Three dots. Add color, background color, any kind of fine color, light color. Click OK. Click OK. Here is the background color we have implemented. Now give heading to this login form. Go to display widget. Drag and drop this text label. Make it bigger. Here, make heading administrator. Administrator login. And give the font size. Yes, font size is here. Not 12. Just 24 bold. Okay. Now select label again. Go to style sheet, background color. Okay, this is your background color. Okay, font size is mm, here instead of this, provide color. Okay, now font size. 18. Okay. In the text, enter username and password. Okay. So I will again change the color of this style. Mm, okay, some dark color will be there. Yes. Now it is visible, more visible. We will make the text bold. Here in this font size, we can make this bold. Now it is bold. I will save this. Control Z. Control save. Now we will select one table. Here I will give text label as username, name, font size as 12. Okay, Control C, Control V. Here it is password. Control save. Now place line edit, that is text box in front of it. Copy, paste, again paste it here. Okay, here delete this because we are going to change it and copy paste it. Select here. Font size is 12. Background style sheet. Okay, background color is white. Okay, Control C. One second. Background color is white. Okay, text is 12. Okay, now Control C, Control V. Here it is password. Again, I don't want this. I want to do some changes. So here, username should be this. Control C, Control V. Control save. Now we will see whether our software is working fine or not. Control save it. Control R. By using shortcut key Control R. This is our application, a desktop application. Here you can see minimize button, maximize button, close button. So here you can check it is working. It is not working. So close it. Select here. Okay, I will minimize it. Eco properties are there. Here you can see below Q line edit. Eco mode is here. It should not be normal. It should be password here. Now I will save this application. Control S, Control R. Now I will check. Here it is text. Here it is password. Okay, it's fine. So close it. Now when a user will write down username password, he will click on some button. So we have to write down. We have to put a button here. Here is a button. Go to the this push button. Login. Style sheet should there. Yes, style sheet. Go here, add color, background color. Background color should be, I want background color as yellow color, and font should be 12. Okay, okay, yes. So this is our login button. Okay, username, password, and click login. Yes, it is working fine. Control save. Now here I will add one login image. So I will go display widget. I will drag and drop this text level. I will make it larger. I will go here, Q labels, and Pixam, choose file. This is our login file. Okay, this is quite big. I will click on this scaled content. You can see now we can scale it as per our wish. Okay, I will make it this much larger. Okay, login. I will save this form. So this is our login page created successfully. We will see it working. Control R, write down. Here password is also working. This is our login page. Login button is in the center. Login text is in central of this login button. Close this. Now I will go to second tab. First of all, I will copy this. I will paste it over here. And here I will write down welcome to management system, school management system. Welcome to school management system project. I will hit enter. Okay. And here I will just one second. Here I will put the school image. Okay. I will go to Pixam, choose file, and I will select one file, any one file. Mm, this file you will see. Okay, this is quite a big file. Okay, now I will scale it. I will make it smaller. Hmm. So this is our school management system project. This is our home page. After a user write down his user ID password, click enter. If it is matching into our database, then application will show this page. Control save. Now we will give the name of these tabs. Tab 1. Okay. Login. Hit enter. Tab 2. Home. Hit enter. Control save. So you can see the names login and home is created. Control save. Now we will create another menu, that is add student menu. Okay. So here I will create click anywhere and insert after current page. I will insert here the name of this page as Mm, Add student, hit enter. I will go here, login page. I will select this, control select this, copy it, paste it over here, control save, rename it, add new student, hit enter, enter student details, hit enter. Okay, we will place it in the central area. Okay, control save it. Now here I will add form type menu forms like registration number, text box like that. So here I will write down registration number. Mm, we will style sheet. Yes, style sheet here. Background color. Background color will be just 1 second. Instead of putting background color only, we will select the font size. Yes, okay. Registration number. After that line item, we will select line item. Line item. Line it will be there. Here style sheet background color will be white and font size will be 12. Okay. Now I will control select these two and copy this. I will paste it here. Okay, I will make it okay. Here it will be full name. Enter gender, date of birth, age will be there. Okay, now I will delete this and add a combo box here because it is a categorical selection, male or female. So for that, here is a combo box. Again, go to style, add background color as plain white. Font size will be 12. Okay, add here male, female. Hit enter. Okay, control save. Now here we will select this. Cop. Okay, sorry. Control C, Control V. We will put it here. We will select this, select this, select this, select this. Control C, Control V. Okay, we will control C. Okay, yes. And after that, just control C, control V, and here multi-line edit we have to select. This text edit is the multi-line text box. Whenever we have to put so many lines like addresses and so on. So you select this multi-line text. Go to style sheet. Yes. Add font as 12. Add color, background color as white. Okay. This will be, hit enter. Here it is phone number. Hit enter. It is email. Hit enter. It is standard. Hit enter. Control C. In this standard, I will write down new first standard. First standard. Second standard. Standard. Okay. Fourth standard. Third standard. Fourth standard. Fifth standard. Sixth standard. Seventh standard. Eighth standard. Ninth standard. 10th standard. Meanings are correct. And and finally 12th standard. Hit enter. Okay. Now you can see Control S, Control R. You can see we can select multiple standards over here. Fifth standard, sixth standard. Okay, it is working fine now. Okay, it is working. It is working. It is working. It is working. Login page is working. Yes, button is also working. Okay, everything is working. Control R. Yes. Okay, control save. Now go to this push button. Here you will see, yes, save student details. Go to style sheet. Here is a style sheet. Add color. Give some background color like, for example, we will give this pink color, dark color here. Okay. No, this is not good color. Um, yes, add font. 18 font, bold. Okay. Mhm. Green. Add font as 14. Okay. Save student details. So this is our button. Okay. You will see this is the button. Yes, control R. Now control S. Here we have successfully created add students page. I will just make it larger. Okay. Now I will create another page, insert page after current page. I will select here, edit page, edit student, edit student, hit enter. I will go to add student. I will select all the details from here, including button. Control C. I will go here, paste it. Mm, yes. Now here, edit or delete student. Delete student registration number. Here, instead of this, I will just delete it and I will put a combo box here. Style sheet, background color, white, font, 12. Okay, okay, okay. Control save. Here, gender should be normal column because we will write down a string query. Okay. This is also normal column, normal text box, standard. Control save. Here, copy, paste, edit student details, delete student details, control save. Here we have completed the edit student page. Okay, so control save. Now we will create another page. We will name this page as mark. Here mark, and after that here we are going to select inside these containers. We are going to select two containers, two group boxes. Here I will edit this group box name. Add mark details. Okay, I will go here. Control C, Control C, Control C. Everything will be also select this button. Control C. Go to marks table here. Control V. Oh, yeah. Okay, just side by side, I will select this. Okay, enter marks. Hit enter. Now just select it, paste it here. One, two, three, four. Control C. See, this is a designer application. The name of this application is itself designer, so you have to design it creatively. It it may take some time, but this is just one-time task. Once you design your application, you are ready to earn money from this application. So you should have patience. Okay. Now I have to add one button here. I will go here. I will just copy any button. I will paste it here. Mm, Save mark details. Okay. Now this is the mark page. So we have to edit all this. Once we select the registration number of that candidate, then here will be the exam name. Here will be language, English, maths, science, social. Okay, there is no need of this. Mm, Okay, now you can copy entire group box, paste it over here. This is for editing, edit mark details, edit mark details, edit or delete mark details, hit enter, delete marks. And here you should have two buttons. One is for edit mark details, and one is for delete mark details. Okay, control save. Here you should not have exam name, so it should not be in text box, it should be in combo box because you are selecting the exam name, then you will have another button. By clicking on that button, you will get the entire marks of that candidate. You can edit it or you can delete it. You just copy paste this button over here. Get marks. I will change the style. Okay, here we can do something great. Okay, get marks. Yes, control save. Okay, control save. Here we have completed the mark page where we can add the marks, edit and delete the marks. Here you have to change select registration number, hit enter, control save, control save. Now we have to create attendance form. So insert page, current, uh, insert after current page. I will give the name of this page as attendance, hit enter. I will go back here. I will copy the entire group box. I will paste it here. Okay. And here we have to change add attendance details, attendance details, enter attendance details. Now here day, morning, evening. After that, these columns we don't want, so delete it. Okay, save attendance detail, attendance details. Okay, just copy this entire group box, paste it over here. Okay, okay. Now here we will change this to edit or delete attendance details, edit or delete attendance, edit or delete attendance. Yes. Okay. Okay. Select registration number and date. So instead of this date, we have to use combo box. We have to copy, paste, again paste, go here, get details, Style, go to style sheet. See here we will select the date, we will select the registration number, and we will get the details so that these details will be shown morning and evening. We will go to style sheet. Here I will just change it to 12. Okay, okay. Here from this button we can edit the candidate details, attendance details. Here from this button we can delete the existing attendance details of that candidate. Okay, okay. Control save. Now we have built this attendance page. We can add the attendance details. We can edit or delete this attendance detail by selecting the registration number and date. Okay. Now this same we have to create another page. Okay. Here the page name is fees. Hit enter. Copy this group box. Paste it over here. Okay. Here fees payment details. Fees payment details. Enter. Enter fees details. Just move all of them down. Select only these. Control C, Control V. Move it over here. Control S. Now here give name as receipt number. After that registration number. After that fees payment reason. Fees payment reason. Here amount. Here date. Here save fees details. Now Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Here in this group box, we will edit or delete the fees details. Okay. Here we will change the name. Add fees details. Hit enter. Edit or delete fees details. Edit or delete fees details. You can select receipt number, receipt number, select receipt number, control save. Here our text box should be for registration number and combo box should be for receipt number because we are selecting the receipt number and we are getting all the details, registration number, fees payment is an amount and date. We can then edit this data or we can delete this data also. Control C, Control V. We have two buttons now. Edit fees details. Hit enter. Delete fees details. Hit enter. Control save. Control save. Here we have completed the fees details form. We can enter the fees details and here we can edit or delete the fees details by selecting the receipt number. Okay, now we will see the report form. Here insert new page. So give name as reports. Control C, Control V. Administrator reports. Here is the table name. And here we will select the table widget. So table widget will be yes. Here is a table widget. Go to style sheet. Change color, white, font, 12. Okay. Now our table widget is ready. Here we have completed the designing of a reports page. Now I will say control save here, control save, control save, control save, control save, control save. Now I will insert page, new page. Here we will create another page name, print receipt. And I will copy this. I will paste it here. Tool management system, control save, control save. I will add another label here. I will place the address, for example, lab, okay, mm, Prabhupada hides behind Gandhi School, Jizam, Mumbai. Hit enter. Here I will select the style sheet. Font will be 12. Okay. And here this will be our address. Okay. Again, copy this, paste it here. Please reset. Control save. The same thing I will do over here. Date. This date will be changed when we select the date. This change will get converted to another date. Here I will copy and paste it here and change it here. Received with thanks from. Here received thanks from. Now this is a table grid, so uh, this this date and bill number will be changed. I will again copy this, paste it here. Here it will be underlined. We can change the style sheet color as black color. Okay. We just have to increase this width from this column. Then only it will show. This will be automatically fetched when we insert via our application. Okay. Received thanks from. Again, the sum of rupees. Hit enter. Control save. Copy this, paste this. Control save. Copy this, paste this. For this exam or for this admission on this date. Control save. This will be This will be signature of the school management system. For school management system, hit enter. Not for school management system, just for school management. Hit enter. Control save. Copy paste and here. Thank you. So this is our school receipt. Received and received with thanks from this for this amount of rupees for this exam fee or this admission form on this date. Thank you. This will be the signature of the school. Here we will go here. Signature. Hit enter. Control save. Now we will create two buttons. Go to push buttons or just I will just simply copy any button over here and yes, copy this button, paste it here. Okay, print receipt, cancel, control save. Mm, Control save. Here we have seen some. Okay. Now we have completed this print receipt page. So I will just save it again. And now this completes our designing part. Now we will move to our application. This is a database application. This is database software. We have used MySQL database, and as I have told you that we have to use this XAMPP control. You have to download this XAMPP control panel. We have started these services. Minimize it. Open the Chrome browser here and write down localhost phpMyAdmin. Click enter. Now select this new, create new database. Write down the database name school. Create it. The database is created successfully. Inside this database, you have to view the table name. I have previously worked on this. I have trial and error. I have completed this project 2 times before recording this video. That's why these recommendations are there. We have to create 4 tables: mark, attendance, fees, student. Currently, it has no tables. So, and in each table, there are various columns. Inside that columns, rows, table structure, there are values, and these values will be connected to our software via MySQL connector. We have already installed it in our VS Code terminal in our virtual environment. So here I will create student table. Let's say the number of rows are 10. Create 10 rows are created now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now here I will give ID. Here is registration number, full name, gender, age, address, phone number, email, and standard. Okay. ID will be our auto increment key. This is our primary key, and it will be auto increment. Registration number is here. First of all, it is 10. Here registration number is varchar, means variable character. Here it is 20. Full name is of course varchar. It is variable character 100. Gender will be varchar. It is 20. Or let's put it as gender will be 10. See this 10, 120, this means a lot. Means if you have, if you are giving here 100 or someone give 255 and there are 1 million rows like the full name having 255 space. This length means this is a space. This is occupying that much space. And if you deploy your application in AWS, then that cloud, it will cost you as per your space. So more your space, more will be the cost. So you have to make sure that this space, this length should not be too much longer or not too much shorter. It should be optimized. It should be somewhat standard. So normally we prefer 100 for full name because someone's name is short, but we see South Indian people they have long names like Subramanyam and first name, full name, last name, surname. A lot of things are there complete. So 100 is preferable for full name. Gender it is male, female, other transgenders, not more than 10 required. So 10 is there. Variable character 10. Date of birth Warcare 20. Age will be int 10. These fields are warchar, 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 star 500, Ashevanash number. So by this way, we have created our first table. Click here, save. We have successfully created our students table. If it is not created, then it will show some error, but no error means the table is created. You can see ID, what is the type of this ID? Integer. It is auto incremented. And this is the primary key. Okay, up to 10th columns standard. Now I will click here new table will be there. I have created already students table. Second will be mark table. It has 8 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. So additional 4 rows will be there. Okay. Now ID, registration number, exam name, English, math, science. So here ID will be varchar, registration number will be varchar. Sorry, ID will be int, registration number will be varchar. Int it is 10, auto increment and primary key. By default it is primary key. Varchar means it is 20. Exam name will be varchar of 100. After that, all fields are int having only 10, 10, 10, 10 length. 10, 10, 10, 10, save. We have created the second table. Okay, 8 columns are there. This is the primary key. Auto increment is there. I will create third table now. Third table will be attendance having 5 columns, but I here 4 columns are there, so I will add one. Here we will go one. Okay, one is added. Here ID, registration number, attendance date. It is morning. It is evening. Now this is in 10. This is also varchar. This is also varchar. This is also varchar. This 20, 20, 20, and 20. This ID is primary key and it yes, and it is auto increment. Now I will save this. Okay, our third table is created attendance table. Now our fourth table, we will create a fees table now. Here fees having 6 columns. Already 4 are there, so 2 additional will be there. So additional 2. Now ID, registration number. One second. Receipt number, registration number, reason, amount, and fees date. Here it is varchar. It is varchar, 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 variable character. Now this is 10, this is 20, this is 20, this is 200 because the reason will be long. This is again 20, this is 20, and ID will be auto increment by default primary. Now I will save this form. We have created 4 tables. This is our fourth table, fees. So here we have completed the database. We have completed the UI UX design. You can see here. Once I press Ctrl R, this will be our application. This will be our menus. Now we have to do coding part. Okay. I will show you this folder, and this is school.ui. This is our design part, what we just created, and this is our school.py. Here we will write down the code. Here I will import the necessary libraries from PyQt5. Import everything. Star means everything. Asterisk means everything. Here I will load this school.ui file so that our this Python coding will be connected to this designer.ui file, school.ui file. Whatever the buttons present over here from this object box, we will connect it here. You can see, for example, this students table, add menu, this menu 11, this object name. We will use this menu 11 into our coding file. And once we do any manipulation, anything, all the changes will be reflected into that interface. Here I have created this main app, and I have initialized this function. This from PyQt5 Qt core, we have imported everything. This 3 line means core features, signals, slots, uh, timers we have imported. We have imported graphics from this GUI. We have imported widgets, UI components like Q main window, Q push button, Q message box. These components we have imported via these widgets. Okay, we have imported this system used for accessing the system level arguments and exciting the uh, and exiting the application. Means if you want to exit the application, if you want to open the application, minimize it, maximize it into that system, then we have to use this system library. Okay. After that, I have imported just to I have we have to import the MySQL connector. So here I will import MySQL connector as con. Con is the ally of this MySQL connector. Okay. This MySQL connector library is for connecting to the database. We rename it as con for easier use. Now this UI load UI type school.ui means it loads our school UI design file. This our school UI design file. UI becomes the Python class containing all UI components. Now, here is our main application class main app Q window UI. So it means that it creates a main app that inherits Q main window, main application window. UI means it allows widgets from your UI file. Now we will create we will create constructor. So this is our construction. Define a constructor underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. This is our constructor. This initializes the main window. The setup self load. This loads uh, loads and arranges all the widgets from your UI file into this window. Now here this setup.ui file this loads and arranges all the widgets from your UI file into the into this window. After that, self.tab widget.set current index 0. This file means it shows the first tab, usually the login button. After that, this tab widget.tab bar set visible is equals to false. This hides the type bar, so user navigate using buttons instead of clicking the tabs. So this is the meaning of this code line. After that, self.menubar.set visible false. This hides the menu bar until the successful login. This is very important. Now comes the 18th line of code. Self.button 01. B01 means button 01. When it is clicked, it will connect to the login button. Means when the login button B01 is clicked, the login function runs. After that, we have created this line. When menu item menu 11 is clicked, you can see menu 11 is clicked. What menu 11? This menu 11. Student 1. This is the menu 11. Okay, this is the object name. So when this is triggered means click, it will connect to the show add new students tab. When the menu item menu 11 is clicked, the add new students tab open. Which item? Add new students. This bar will be opened. Okay. Now we will create a login form. So this is our login form, right? In this login form, this define login self, this username, this password. These are the TB01. These are the username and passwords. So it reads the username and password from this text boxes. TB means text box. After that, if username is equals to admin and password is equals to also admin, we have said this inbuilt that username and password should be admin. If it is there in this login box, you can see here, if username and password both are admin, then uh, then our it will show the menu bar. Checks if both the username and password are admin, then it will show the menu bar. It moves our dashboard to tab index 1. Currently, this is our index 0. This is index 1. If username and password is correct, then it will go to home page, this welcome page. Okay. Now, else it will show an error that invalid admin login details. Invalid admin login details. Try again. So it will show a pop-up window. School management system will be adding, and this will be text. Okay. Now here is the code for add new student. Here it opens the tab index 2, means this index 2. This is index 0, this is 1, this is 2. And this will opens the tab index to add new student and call the function to get the next registration number automatically. Okay. Now this is auto filling next registration number automatically. This starts the registration number counter at 0. Means you can see here it starts with 0. After that, it connects to your MySQL database. That is school. We have created the database. After that, it fetches all the rows from that students table by this SQL query. Then it counts how many students already exist. Then it sets the text box TB11 with next student ID as count1. After that, it catches any MySQL error and prints. So this is about filling the next registration number. Now this is control save. So this function creates Qt application object, creates your main window, and displays it app.exe. This starts the event loop which keeps your application running. After that, we will create another control save. This ensures the program starts by calling main function. I will save it. Make sure this main function should be outside your class. Okay, control save. We will check our design function. Here for this button one, we will change this to B01 as it is first button. Okay. Likewise, we have to set button names, another button names here, B02, B03, like that. Okay. I will go to VS Code. We have completed the coding part, but we have to give the names, object names to each button. Here it is B01, or here it is TB01, or here it is TB02. Okay, here it is L01, label 01. I will save here. I will go to VS Code. I have cleared this VS Code terminal by using CLS command. Now I will run our application Python. School.py is the file name. I will run it. Here the pop-up window opens. I will write down anything here and the login. It will give me a pop-up box. Invalid admin login details. Try again. Why? Because here we have provided invalid login details. Please try again. Invalid admin login details. Try again. And this school management system. This school management system. This is our header. Add invalid admin login details. Try again. This is the text we have seen because we have incorrectly added the credential. Now I will put admin as username and password. Okay. Okay. Admin. Here also admin. Then login. It shows me the new home page. Welcome to home page. We have entered our application successfully. Now, similarly, uh, we will do the settings for add new students. We will change the uh, we will change the object names here. For this, I will change TB01, sorry TB11 because it is present in first row, first column. This is text box TB12. This is combo box, so CB11. This is TB13 because this is TB111213. Enter. This is TB14. Now this is multi-line text, so MTB11 hit enter. This is TB15. This is TB16. This is CB 1 2 because this is second combo box. This is button B12. Enter. Label 12. L12. This is for label 12. Enter. Now save the form. Currently our database don't have, see this students table, add students table. We don't have any rows present inside below these columns: ID, registration number, full name, gender, date of birth. Everything is empty here. We will add one student whole details. Enter. We will run our code, and we will see whether our code is working or not. I will go to VS Code again. Here I will write down another self dot B12 dot read dot connect self dot save student details, control save, and we will create another function save student details. Now I will go down, and here I will create another function, define save student details, self, enter, try my mydb is equals to con dot connect host is equals to localhost user equals to, it is by default root, password is equals to empty. After that, cursor is equals to mydb dot cursor. Here registration number save dot tb11 dot text, full name is equals to self dot tb12 dot text, gender is equals to self dot cb11. CB11 means this combo box 11. TB12 means text box 12. Whatever we have assigned the object names to our buttons or text boxes or labels. Okay, CB11 current text, date of birth will be equals to self dot TB13 dot text, age will be equals to self dot TB14 dot text. Okay, after age, address is equals to save dot mtb11 dot to plain text. Phone will be equals to self dot tb15 dot text. Then email will be is equals to self dot tb16 dot text. Then standard is equals to self dot cb12 dot current text. After that, we will write down our SQL query. Query will be is equals to insert into student registration number, full name, gender. Here we will give our database to here, control save, and here we will proceed. Date of birth, age, address, phone, email, standard. After that, values. We have to give placeholders here. How many placeholders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 placeholders are there of 10. Okay, 9 will be there because ID is auto incremented. So percentage, it should be small. Mhm. Likewise, control C, E, control C. Okay, now it is 9. Okay, now we have to go here. Values will be because why? Because cursor will be is equals to cursor dot execute query and values. Okay, so here values will be what values? These values. Control C, Control V, Control S, all these values. Okay, so all these values. Now we have to complete this try block. We have to do commit mydb dot commit control save save dot L11 save set text student details saved successfully save school management system. This will be our header. student details added successfully. This is our message. Okay, control save. Now here I will write down the except block, except found dot error e self dot l11 dot set text error in save students call where as e control save. Now I will run the form cls python school dot event here admin. We have successfully entered into login page. This is our home page. Now I will go to, it is crashing now. There are some errors. Here after so many trial and error and debugging the code a lot, I have re-modified the code and I have uploaded a whole source code into my GitHub repository. So I will just run this code python school.py. You will see admin, admin, login. I will click students, add new students. I have tried for one student. Now automatically it leads to auto increment. So it is two now. Full name, let's say I will write down Vivek Paul, male, date of birth 17 June 20, 1995, age 30, address Mumbai, phone number. This okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Email is a extension address gmail.com and okay, this is a correct email number. This is not correct mobile number. I will save student details. Student detail added successfully. Click OK. Auto increment. Third number appears. I will check the database now. You can see here my previous data like I do trial and error. It runs successfully. After that, I resume recording the video. Now I will refresh this page. You will see ID number 2, Vivek code, mail, 17 June 1995, 30 age, Mumbai address, mobile number, email ID, 12 standard. This is wrong. This is a just random mobile number. This is my correct email ID. Okay. So our database inserted successfully. By this way, you can make this kind of application. I will close this now. See, this is our database application and we have run it successfully. Okay. Like this, you can edit, delete student, you can add, delete, edit attendance, fees, reports, mark report, student report. You can do by using your CRUD functionality, you can log out here. Okay. So So thank you so much for watching this tutorial till end. I hope you enjoyed building this school management system with me and learned something new that boosts your Python development skills. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Better Call Paul YouTube channel for more projects from our 1000 Python project marathon for GenAI ML, data science, deep learning projects. Your support helps me create even more powerful and practical tutorials. If you have any questions or ideas for the next project, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Keep coding, keep growing. Thank you and take care.